Hi guys. Second ball. Where's Daisy? So I can shut the freaking door. What's she doing? Getting a pro at opening these, me. What? Wanted to pop it out, it's sen. Timmy's making too much noise. Right. I thought I would read some replies from my Gone Too Far trollops. I want to go straight to one person. This person is on my YouTube, what they call it, my channel. Is in me comments, and that comment where I'm saying I might not be able to see my grandkids again, he said, "We know you lie, but if this is true, we couldn't be happier for your news. Ha 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 ha. You don't deserve family. I don't deserve family. I don't deserve family." So my friend Teresa has said, "You can tell she's not lying, for fuck's sake. You're an evil man." So he's replied by saying, "Teresa Wellham, she's getting exactly what she deserves. It's about time justice was served, but I bet it's a lie. She lies for a living. See that joint she was smoking, beginning of her vid? Yeah, that's right. All that denying that she doesn't take drugs. And there it is, plain see. I don't take drugs. I don't take drugs. Where do I take drugs, you stupid man?" And by the way, this man, Lee, what's his name again? Lee Smallcock. Lee Webster. He don't even know me, right? What I'm doing, can you actually see it on camera? Eh? Can you see it on camera? Yay or nay? Can you see or hear? Go on, tell me. Go on, Lee Smallcock. You don't even know me, do you? You saw my name mentioned on Castleford Bones and thought, I'll have a go at this woman because I'm a big, hard man. I actually think you're gay. And then again, if you were, you'd have the bottle to come and speak to me. Instead, you hide and type. Tracy this, Tracy that. She's a liar. Yeah? Yeah. So Teresa says who, you? Lee says. Lee says, never mentioned any names. Lee Webster, hashtag Tracy Fun with Moans and Banter page. Prove it. Never mentioned any names. Prove it. What proof that you're going to bottle of my house? I've got a screenshot of it on my live. You. It's all right. Her house is going to get motto-loved. And you also threatened me. And somebody told you to keep it quiet. And you says, no, it is a threat. I've got all screenshots, you little prick. You little pussy boy. Lee Webster, 8 minutes ago. 8 minutes ago. He's still on it like a car bonnet. He mustn't ever get any fanny, him, cunt. What's he said 8 minutes ago? Oh, 11 minutes ago. Tracy's Fun with Moans and Banter page. Prove it. Prove what this is. Because I am rolling sick papers in a certain way. You're classing that as I am smoking something strange. But I don't take drugs. I don't take drugs. Only medication. I do not take any form of drug, illegal drug whatsoever. I don't take it. Not at all. So, Lee Webster, who knows the West Yorkshire Police, who's got loads of groups, who's going to share my name everywhere. Let's go to your next reply. I want to say exactly where it said a specific person was going to. You can't, because it doesn't exist. You're a lying council trash. Scumbag who plays the victim. When now she's getting exactly what she deserves. I hope you never see your poor grandkids again. That's what he said. Where's Daisy? Where's Daisy? Tim has gone looking for her. Yeah, Trees is telling you now. So, Lee Webster, who's commenting, calling me council trash. Council trash? Did he call me council trash? Let's have a look. Shut up. I said he's going to pet rub on my house, so he says, prove it. Never mentioned any names. Your name popped up on my live, you little dick splash. Do you know what a dick splash is? A dick splash is a little bit of spunk what splashes into mid-air. And your cock is as big as a maggot's eyelash. And your mouth is bigger than the Mersey Tunnel. And your fist is like fucking paper. Fuck you, you prick.